Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this video, I'm going to do a full day of lazy keto eating. What do I eat on easy keto and lazy keto? Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this video, I'm going to show you what do I eat on a full day of lazy keto eating and easy keto eating. My full day of lazy keto eating and LCHF eating coming up next. If you like this video and you like pork chop over there, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and click subscribe with the notification bell. Let me show you my LCHF eating keto lunches and keto dinners coming up next. And if you like this video, make sure you put keto eating down in the comments below so I know to do more videos just like this one. Okay, so I had 21 net carbs for the day. Let me show you what the breakdown is of what I ate.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can we start for you?
Hi, can I please get a Trenta iced decaf with no classic and light on the heavy cream, like a tablespoon?
Sorry, you said light on the heavy cream and...
Yeah, light on,
right?
no classic and light on the heavy cream, like literally like a tablespoon, please.
All right, anything else?
That's it. Thanks so much. Here is my decaf Trenta. I have been trying to cut down on caffeine, so this is what I got, and I'm so excited to drink it. And this is one of the best ways I love to not break my fast is by getting my heavy cream, no classic, which is the sugar. It doesn't break a fast per Dr. Fung, but I love lazy keto, straight up lazy keto. It's a great breakfast and doesn't break my fast. So I'm counting for my Starbucks drink 2 net carbs for my decaf drink, and it's a good way to stay on my fast and to keep fasting. So my fasting goal today that I'm going to hit is 18 hours for my fasting time. I'm super stoked to try that out for today and see how it goes. So I'm going to make some uncured bacon along with my organic cabbage here. I'm going to cook the cabbage in the bacon grease and use my large skillet. I'll have a video coming out soon, if not already out, about how to clean a cast iron skillet. I'll put it in the description link below if it's out by the time that this video is out. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and cook my bacon. And this bacon happens to be the no antibiotics, no hormones added. I'm going to cook the bacon. And of course, pork chop is coming over to see what's cooking. So I'm going to have 4 slices of the bacon. I'm counting that as 4 net carbs, 1 net carb per slice of bacon. And my cabbage is 1 net carb per half a cup. And I'm going to cook that in the bacon grease too for high fat, moderate protein, low carb for my lazy keto meal. This is great LCHF eating. I'm loving my lazy keto dinner or lazy keto lunch. So I decided to have 1 full cup, which is 2 net carbs instead of a half a cup. I was in the mood for a little bit more, and applesauce came over to help too. Time to flip the bacon. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of my pink Himalayan salt on top of this. Mix it around, and to quote Sophia Petrillo, you get bonus points if you know who that is. Put in the comment section below if you know who Sophia Petrillo is. But in the words of Sophia Petrillo, I don't want to be zoomed to the moon with cabbage. So I like to dry it off a little bit so it's not like full on bacon grease going into my stomach. The Countess does not touch such things, but I like to make sure that my tummy, I don't explode it too much. So I'm just going to put a little here on a paper towel to get some of the bacon grease off. But it's super satiating. And I just pat. So it doesn't disrupt my stomach too much with too much bacon grease, because my stomach will get upset. And here's my lazy keto meal. How LCHF is this? Low carb, high fat deliciousness with my cabbage. 2 net carbs cooked with my bacon and bacon grease. That's a total of 4 net carbs for this, so 5 net carbs for this whole meal. How's your walk going? Good? Let's keep walking. This has been a hard walk. We're not really walking. I'd love to get some exercise in. Put in the comments below, how are you working out today? Are you going on a non-walk with your 3-year-old and 2 dogs? Because that's apparently what I'm doing right now. Put in the comments below how you're working out. Oh, here comes Duke. And his mitten. He's lost his mitten. A scooper for the macadamia nuts. I will put that in the description link below to make sure that you don't overeat on nuts. I know that I like big nuts and I cannot lie, but I can't overeat on them. So if you want to make sure you don't overeat, I will put a special scooper that I use down in the description link below. Okay, so have you guys done the Outback ordering ahead curbside? I've never done this before. Put in the comments below if you've done it before, but I'm going to try it today. I'm going to call in my order for the bone-in ribeye. It's kind of pricey, but I'm going to split my dinner with Duke. I'm going to get it with a side of broccoli and get it with a Thousand Island dressing on a salad. A better choice would be blue cheese or ranch dressing, but that's what I really am craving, and some Thousand Island. So I'm going to try this call ahead thing in this curbside pickup, and we'll see how it goes. So I did the Outback to go. I'm so excited. I got the 22-ounce bone-in ribeye. I don't know if that means that the bone's part of that or if the meat's separate. That's probably a dumb thing to say. But so I got this cooked medium well. I ate a bite. Oh, I was waiting. So I got this. I'm sharing this with my little boy. But I got some broccoli as my side. It's totally leaked in there. And then I've got my salad. My little boy will have the croutons. I will not. I got my side of salad dressing, which is Thousand Island. It should be blue cheese or ranch for lower net carbs, but I really wanted Thousand Island. So I'm splitting this with my little boy for lazy keto dinner. Lazy keto meal here. Right, Pork Chop? That's right. So here's my little boys. Here's mine. I'm going to save the bone for my bone broth. Calvary came over. Got my salad, but that bone I will put in the freezer afterwards, and I will make bone broth with it in a few weeks when I get some other bones. She's watching me. Do you ever feel like you're being watched when you're eating? She's like, please let me have some. No way, Jose. How is it? Good?
Yeah.
Good.
Wow. Where's the list?
Okay, so I got all my food from the curbside pickup. I'm totally impressed. That was super simple. I literally called it in. This is not sponsored, by the way, by Outback. I just was fascinated, but the bill was over $30, which was kind of stunning. I did not anticipate it being that much for the bone-in ribeye, which was kind of pricey for myself and Duke for dinner. But it was like, really, I just did not want to cook dinner tonight. It's been one of those days. So I'm counting that as 3.5 net carbs for the broccoli, 4 net carbs for my Thousand Island dressing salad, 1 net carb for my cheese, and 1 net carb for the lettuce for the cheese on the salad with it. So, and obviously I'm not going to be eating croutons with that. I'm counting 0 net carbs for the ribeye, but I'm factoring in 0.5 net carbs for my lazy keto dinner, just in case my math is off. But this is totally an easy keto dinner. Like, this is easy keto. This is the epitome of lazy keto dinner and a lazy keto meal. So I'm super satiated and loved that meal. Oh wait, here's the breakdown of everything that I ate. It was 2 net carbs for my Starbucks decaf coffee with heavy whipping cream. Then I'm counting 6 net carbs for my cabbage with my bacon. Then I'm counting 2 net carbs for my 4th cup of macadamia nuts. I will put in the description link below the macadamia nuts that I order off Amazon. I love those things and try to get them but once a month because it lasts that long, if not every 6 weeks. My next thing that I had was my Outback order. I'm counting that as, my Outback order, I'm counting 3.5 net carbs for my broccoli, 4 net carbs for my 2 tablespoons of Thousand Island dressing. A better choice would have been blue cheese or ranch dressing for lower net carbs, but I really wanted the Thousand Island dressing. I'm counting 1 net carb for the cheese on the salad, and I'm counting 1 net carb for the lettuce. I'm counting 0 net carbs for my ribeye. There may be just some discrepancy in there, so I added an extra 1 net carb for that. So then my total for the day is 21 net carbs, adding a little buffer of 0.5 net carbs in there just in case I maybe messed up on my math. And I may have messed up on my math 1 or 2 net carbs. I'm okay with that. I'm totally okay with that. To me, that's a victorious day. 21 freaking net carbs. That is a total lazy keto day. That's totally an easy keto day with my lazy keto lunch, my lazy keto dinner, and while fasting and having an awesome fasting time. I'm super proud of that and think that it's a victorious day. So woohoo! I'm so proud of myself. I did hit my 18-hour fast today. Woohoo! Yay, it was victorious. I feel really, really good about that too. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and put down below keto eating so I know to do more videos just like this one. And if you want to sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss encouragement email, say that 5 times fast, sign up down at countessoflowcarb.com.